can team up with Lego Mario, which is right there, and Lego Luigi. And you can connect together, but it can only be on one iPad. But we are going to be installing it on my iPad for now. So, we have Lego Luigi. That's kind of cool. And you can also team up for adventures. You can use Lego Mario and Lego Luigi. And also, it can only be on one device, or actually two which is that's super cool. But all of them have to be in one device. Okay. And for now, we'll be installing it on my iPad. And we have a question mark block,
a Bone Goomba,
a pink Yoshi,
Boom Boom,
gold pole,
and a start pipe, which comes in the Lego Mario thing. Well, these three items come in only this set, which makes Lego Luigi very special. And also, it just came out this month, August 1st.
And also, there are some different things that are cool. Well, like this, is that you can use two people to do it, or you can use one. But let's see what's in here. Just take here. Let's unbox it. All right, let's see. Okay.
Boom. Whoa, this is a lot of pieces. Let's just hear that satisfying sound of Legos.
Whoa! And this, you know who this is? It is.
Let's see who it is.
How do you open this?
Okay. This is. Let's see who it is.
Lego Luigi!
Yay! Lego Luigi! Now. Here, I'll put his arm back. Oh no, Luigi lost an arm. Okay, there we go.
He isn't on. We're gonna need a screwdriver to open him. And so, this is our first packet. Let's open it up.
Okay, let's see. Okay, Lego Mario's right here, and now we just open bag one.
Yep.
And we just got our pieces.
Let's see. We know how to make Lego Luigi because we did Lego Mario. So let's add his things in.
Let's add his buttons in. Okay, we have Lego Luigi here.
So we know how to put them together because we've already, of course, did Lego Mario.
Here, I'll put together his buttons. You put together his ears.
And now we'll put his ears. So as you can see, this is Lego Luigi. I just have to add this. And this is our full Lego Luigi. And this is our full Lego Luigi.
Yay!
So, as you can see, he will not turn on
Because he doesn't have any batteries.
You have to take the pants off, and you need a screwdriver and some batteries to do this, and it will work perfectly.
Well, if you're a kid and you're watching this video, you need a parent to do this.
Yes.
So, yeah. Okay, so there's some extra pieces in bag one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, we've got an extra extra button and an extra ear because those people have one bag.
And we will show you the other bags when we move on. We will show you the other bags when we move on. But there are 7 of them in the whole thing. So,
Wow, that's a lot.
and also, these 7, and I don't know, but I'm sure we're gonna be needing these throughout the whole thing, because these are the connecting lines.
Okay, so we have Lego Luigi here. He's laying down because a grown-up, our dad, needs to help us open this. So now he's gonna start. He needs to get the screw and he needs to unscrew,
Which he's doing right
which
now.
might take a while.
So it is almost out. Might take. Oh, it worked. So we did not need a problem with this, actually.
Oh, there it goes. And now the batteries will get slid in.
It works.
Lego Luigi time.
It works!
Yay!
We have Lego Luigi. So as you can see, guys, these are the little buttons. And so I'll first talk about this one. And as you can see there, it's the speaker that it comes through. And this will turn it on.
Lego Luigi time.
And as you can see, it turned on. When you press it again, you turn them off. And also this button does if you want to connect it to a device or anything like that.
Okay, and also in your Lego Luigi box, you will get this thing, a quick start guide, where you will get there's instructions to put together this guy, Lego Luigi, and then if you flip it, you can see that you can download an app,
Which is right here, Lego Super Mario. Be right there. And when you go into it, you can press start.
and you can see here that, look, okay, so we see little Lego pieces and it looks like it's showing you how to put them together. And also, not like paper like Lego instructions, they give you iPad instructions, like 3D spinning, and you can, it's 360 degree view so that if you miss a piece, then you can see it and then just put it there, which is super cool. And then you'll have these sets done in no time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Lego Mario and Lego Luigi connected, and you will see this little butterfly logo with a Bluetooth symbol
In the middle. And you can defeat the object together and stuff like this. As you can see.
If you get coins.
Okay, that didn't work.
Okay, so now let's move on. Okay, try to follow. Okay. That's kind of cool. Let's look.
Watch. says that?
Okay, let's try Lego Mario falling over.
And it does the same thing.
Okay, so we got Lego Mario and Luigi. He's connected. They set them over there. And
Let's
now
turn
we're
them off. Off so that they don't waste the battery. And then you do not have to connect it to the iPad if you want to do it. All you have to do is turn them on, and first do Luigi. You turn on the Bluetooth for that. Then do Lego Mario. Then they will connect together, and you can play together with them.
Okay, so now we are going to start building.
Yay! We will show you the second and third set. Then we will rewind all the other sets. So let's go.
And on the Lego Mario app. And now we have all our stuff for it.
As you can see right here, you can see all these different things, and we'll be working on them. So let's start with our pipe, and you will use the second box. So this is also how to defeat a Goomba.
A bone.
Okay,
So now we just open back 2. And now it says to get these 2 pieces. Okay, let's look for those pieces.
just trying to open it so that it does the.
Wow, that's a lot of pieces.
There are some in there. We will be opening soon. But first I have to start with this. So as you guys can see, we're gonna need this. And then we have to open this. One. We're done with bag 1. I'm gonna put it in the box. Okay. So now we have to find this piece plus this one.
Okay, everybody, we are complete with Lego Luigi set. And now, as you can see, we have the Boom Boom.
Yeah.
Some towers, and this is a lot of sets. And look at this thing. This is a super duper cool contraption. Okay, so let's open the 7 packs that we can connect all the pieces. Alright guys, this is the finishing result. Dun, dun, dun! We finally finished it. And as you can see here, we have our start pipe, which he made earlier in the video. Our little sand and thing.
And then you go to the question mark.
Step on this bone Goomba.
And you have the cactus there.
And then defeat this Boom Boom. Go to Yoshi and finish the course. Oh yeah.
And
now
also this is kind of like in the Super Lego Mario thing with the cloud. It is kind of the same thing.
Okay, so we are about to start the course. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Get the question mark.
Yeah.
Oh, mushroom.
Okay.
Bye bye, Goom. Simba.
I just got coins. Okay, just gonna defeat him.
All right, come on, let's defeat him.
Whoa.
All right, come on, Luigi.
Defeat him.
Come on. Let's say goodbye to him. Oh no.
Oh no. Okay. Come on.
Oh no. Mario. I'm gonna knock him off. Okay, please make sure to subscribe to the channel DL Pro Gaming. And if you want to get this set, then make sure to check in the description below. There will be a link to go to Amazon to get this set. This set is $60.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.